Okay, everybody, clean our fridge with us. Let's get started. It's kind of messy, so we're gonna need to clean it and organize it. And we're gonna give you guys some ASMR. We don't know ASMR that good, so just try to trust.
To begin with the condiments, we're gonna take them out, wipe them down, wipe this, and then put them back.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a bad cow, this is a really good cow.
Okay, we're gonna wipe them down. She's really aggressive. I found a secret bottom one, so we're gonna wipe that down. There's nothing down there.